Let's start by creating a new project in Unity. We are going to use the latest Unity 2022. We are going to give it a name. I'm going to name it Intro to AR in Unity 2022 and then create project. So it's going to open the project for us. When the project is open, let's go to Window and Package Manager. In here, we can click on the setting button, which is right beside the search box, and then go to project settings. So inside this project settings, we are going to click on the pre-release packages, and this is going to enable a few pre-release packages that we are going to use in our project, right? Let's click on the packages and select Unity registry and search for ARFoundation, and we are going to install the latest version, which is 5.0.0 preview, and then install it. When it's installed, it's going to ask to restart the Unity editor because we are using a new input system. So let's click on yes, and it's going to restart our Unity editor. When the Unity is open again, let's go back to Package Manager one more time, and we're going to install a few more packages. Let's start by ARCore and search for ARCore, and it's going to give us the XRARCore plugin. Select the 5.0.0 version and install it in your project. When that is done, again we need to go to the build settings, and we are going to switch our platform to Android. Don't forget to add the open scenes, and then go to player settings. It might take a little bit while to go to the project player settings, so bear here with me. And when that is done, we need to click on the player setting one more time, and I'm going to give it a company name. For us, it's Joysticklab, and then a product name. In the rendering settings, we need to check the Auto Graphics API and delete Vulkan because ARCore does not support Vulkan. And also in the minimum API level, we're going to select Android 7.1. That is the minimum API level that is supported with ARCore. Now finally, we need to go to editor and project settings. Inside there we have XR plugin management, and make sure you select Google ARCore.